Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix wireless adapter missing in Windows 10. So there are 4 or 5 things that you need to do in order to fix it. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is go to the Windows search bar and type in device manager. Okay, now you can see as soon as I type device manager is coming. Simply double click on it and it will open up the device manager. You can also right click on my PC and then go to the properties. On the left hand side you will find the device manager at the top. Okay, now you are here. Now what you need to do is go to the menu, go to the view in the menu bar and click on show hidden devices. Okay, now you need to go to the action here. Okay, select this network adapter right here and go to the action and now click on scan for hardware changes. Now if your wireless adapter is missing, it will try to install it. Okay, if it is missing from here, then you will get the instruction to install it. Now close out this window. Now the next thing that you need to do is again go to the Windows search bar and type fix network. Okay, now you'll see the first option, that is find and fix network problems. You need to click on that. It will open up the internet troubleshooter. Okay, now it will find out all the problems that are there. Now click on next here. Now it will start detecting problems. So if there is a problem with your wireless adapter, it will list it and then it will also provide you the solution in order to fix it. So it will start detecting problems. So right now I don't have any problem, so it will now detect. Okay, now troubleshoot my connection to the internet. However, internet is connected, there is no problem in my one. Okay, so you'll get this network troubleshoot wireless adapter missing, something like that, and it will give you solution to fix it. Now once you are done and if it is still not fixed, then what you need to do is again go to the Windows search bar and type in CMD. Okay, now command prompt will open. Now you need to right click on it and click on run as administrator. Now click on yes. Okay, now you need to type in few commands here, very simple ones, in order to fix it. Now here I have written 2 commands. The first one is the nets winsock reset. Okay, type it there. Okay, now hit enter. Now you can see successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Now again go to the Windows start menu and restart your computer. So once you restart it, again come back to the Windows search bar and again type in CMD. Now command prompt will be there. Right click on it and click on run as administrator. Click on yes. Now again you need to type in the second command, that is net cfg -d. Net cfg -d. Okay, now it will do something. That is saying to reboot my computer. Okay, please reboot the computer. So after once you restart your computer, it will fix all the network problems including the wireless adapter problem. Now if it is still creating problems, you need to go to the laptop's manufacturer website and from there you need to download the wireless network adapter drivers. Okay, so once you download those network adapter drivers, then you should install them on your computer and it will fix your problem. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.